Oh my gosh, you guys, Allure did it again. One item inside of this month's box pays for the entire thing. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite subscriptions. This is the Allure Beauty Box for January. So as always, I will be dropping a link down below for you guys if you want to purchase this box. This is the box that you will receive in the month of January, and there are no variations this month. So everyone, new and existing, will be receiving the exact same products with the exception of the new members gift. But that's the only difference between the two of them. If you sign up in January, you will receive one additional bonus product. Outside of that though, we're all getting the same boxes this month. And because I try to be as thrifty as possible, I have a discount code for you guys that I'm going to post down below. It will make your first box only $15 and there's free shipping on it. Now this code, it technically is an old code that should be expired, but it still works on the Allure website. So I'm going to post that down below and we're just going to use it until Allure takes it away. But if they do take it away, I have another code that will make the box $20, but this other code saves you an additional $5. So I would recommend using it as fast as possible. That way Allure won't know, you'll save a little bit of extra money off of it as well. If they do take it away, I got you covered with the other code though down below as well. Anyone that signs up in the month of January will receive a bonus gift. So the new member gift for January is going to be a $10 gift card, and you're able to apply that towards the member shop. That way you can choose what item you want as your new member gift. It's not actually a set item this month like they've done in the past. I think this is almost better because you get to choose an item that you're going to use and that you will like versus being forced to take the new item. Not that the new items have ever been bad in my opinion, but I do think this will work better for everyone. So once you sign up for this subscription, and you have to do it in the month of January in order to get this gift card, they will send you a separate email, and it takes about 7 to 10 days to receive that email after you purchase it. And inside of the email will be the gift card code. Then you're able to take that code and apply it towards the shop. And you can use the gift card on all of the sale prices too. First item that everyone will be receiving in the month of January is from Milk Makeup. You guys, this is like a $35 product if you wanted to go purchase it at the stores. So this is the item that pays for your entire box this month. It is full size and it's also a really great product. So this is the Hydro Grip Setting Spray. It is a full size product. It's 100 ml or 3.38 ounces. This product has been around for quite a while and I do feel like it works incredibly well. So what's great about this Hydro line is it will not dry your skin out. It's actually going to add a little bit of moisture to your skin, which is great for the dry winter air we're having right now. But on top of that, it still is going to lock in your makeup once you spritz it over top. It's going to fight off oils throughout the day, keep everything in place. It's a beautiful setting spray. Also, can we just talk about how beautiful the color is on here? I mean, this is just so pretty. This is a great product to have here in the month of January. I'm telling you guys, I love the brand. I love that it's full size. And I also know from experience that it works. So this is a steal this month. Next up inside of the January box is going to be a full-size facial sunscreen from EltaMD. Again, this is a great brand. I love their sunscreen products and they make a lot of different versions of their sunscreen. This one is specifically a tinted sunscreen, so it's going to have a little bit of color to it. Now it's SPF 40 and like I said, it is a facial sunscreen. I personally prefer this brand over other ones because it does not clog my pores as easily. It also will help to fight off acne at the same time. So if you have oily skin like myself, you're gonna love this product. I think it's great. It is a full-size product that we have here as well. This is what it looks like, and then it's just got a pump up here at the top. Now, the tint on this, you can kind of see here, it is considered a medium tint or kind of like that golden color. This obviously is going to be way too dark for me, especially right now in winter. I might be able to get to this color during summertime, But what I'm gonna do is I always put sunscreen on before I do my foundation anyways. So I will be putting the sunscreen on first, then priming, and then I'll use my foundation to really blend it out and get it back to the color I need it to be. I also will use concealer to help lighten up certain areas as well. So the tint doesn't really bother me because I can make it work. But for some of you, it might be the perfect color and you won't even need to color correct it. You can just put it on and be good to go. But I do think that might be the only drawback with this product is it may not be the right color for everyone, but I do think you can still make it work. And you definitely need to be putting on sunscreen during winter as well. It is snowing outside right now for me, and I still put sunscreen on today. Plus, this retails for $38. So again, one product pays for your whole box. Next item inside of our box today is from Rock, and this is their multi-correction serum capsules. These capsules are going to have hyaluronic acid inside of them, so they are a hydrating formula, and they're designed to give you that hydration and to plump your skin up. So it is a full-size bottle, and it says that 100% of people that use this product noticeably had plumper skin after using this product. So I think that's pretty awesome. They said you can actually notice it in one treatment, but if you continue to use it, the full bottle should last you about 4 weeks. And it states that after 4 weeks, everyone saw better than expected results from using this product. Now, I know the brand. I do think it's a decent brand, but I have never tried this product myself, so I can't vouch for it working or not. But I do think it's going to be perfect for winter. I like that they're thinking about hydration this season. We need it. This full-size product comes in at $33 for this exact size, you guys. That's the third product in a row that can pay for this box this month. Meaning, even if you don't love every product, like maybe the sunscreen, you're like, the color's not gonna work for me, I don't wanna mess with it, it's still worth it because the other two are paying for this. We also have a nail product inside of this box this month. This is from Dermal. It is their Restore and Repair Base Coat polish that we've received this month. I think we'd still call this a polish. So this is what it will look like here. And like I said, this is going to be a repairing treatment. It also will work as your base coat. So you can put a polish over top of this. You don't have to. You can definitely put this on and it will help to strengthen and harden your nails. It's going to give you a little bit of color, as you can tell, but it's a very thin layer and it's more of a nude color. So you definitely could put other polish over top. It's not going to be too thick. It's not going to be like lifted or anything like that. So I think this is going to be great because it works for everyone. I mean, we all have nails we got to take care of. And again, the winter air is terrible on everything. So I like that we got this month. This is one that I don't know I would want to receive every single month, but getting it once in a while, I think is a great product. Now this month we do have a couple of sample sizes. Usually Allure does 3 full size, 3 sample sizes. However, this month we actually have 4 full sizes and 2 samples. But hey, I am never going to complain about having more full size products. So our first sample sized item is the Egyptian Magic Skin Cream. This is a moisturizer. This stuff is powerful. Ooh, as I almost drop it. It is too strong of a product for me. So I have used this product before. I feel like because I have oily skin, it's just too much power. If you have dry skin, you're probably gonna love this moisturizer though. So this is a sample size that we have here. It's 7.5 ml or 0.25 ounces. It is a balm texture with honey and olive oil, and it is designed to hydrate not only your face, but you can also use this on your lips. You can put it on your body as well. I know someone that uses this and they use it on their elbows and it works really well. So I do think this is one that will work for a lot of people. I'll probably need to keep this just for like my lips. It's just too strong of a product to use on my face. And our last sample that we have this month is going to be the Youth Cream from Lactane. I always mispronounce this one, but this is our sample product here. Now we have 4 ml of product. It's not a lot, you guys. In this tube, I can see in the light that it is only filled up to here. This is all empty up here at the top. So it's very minimal. You're not gonna get a lot of uses out of this product. I will let this one slide only because we have 4 other full-size products and I think those are all really great. I still think the box is worth it. But normally I am not a fan of receiving samples this small because there's not really enough in there to try it out and know if you like it or not. So that is everything inside of the Allure Beauty Box for January. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of this month's subscription. And again, I got you covered with a link and a discount code down below. If you sign up in the month of January, you'll also receive the $10 gift card. That's the only thing that's not pictured here because that is emailed to you. You don't actually receive it in your box. From a reviewing standpoint, I give this box high remarks. I have already said that this is one of my top 3 favorite boxes for skincare. I feel like they delivered on that with the sunscreen, the setting spray that's in here. The moisturizers are great. I really like the nail treatment that we're getting this month for something different. So honestly, I love it. The only thing I don't like is the really small sample. That is the only thing that I'm unhappy with, but it's not enough for me to go, oh, this box isn't worth it, or don't buy this box or anything like that, because the other ones, they're totally worth the value on here. So I think this box is a really good one. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!